Special delivery! Special toy! Yeah!
Oh, for me!
Yes, for you!
For me!
Yes!
I wonder what it is! Oh, my goggles fell off. Ew! Oh my god, it's my doll I ordered!
You crazy people sending me in the mail! It's so sad! I'm gonna send you in the mail!
Hey! Don't send me the mail! Help me!
I'm taking you to the post office in my super cool car! You guys want to see my super cool car?
Yeah.
I get my cool car! Oh my god! That's my car! That was mine! It's so cool and pink. See, pink is the new black.
But it's my car!
Yes.
It's my car! Help me!
To the post office!
Hey, John, you cast my car!
Hello, the post office crazy with my awesome pink hat. See, pink is the new black. Anyway, here you are. Where would you like this package shipped? New Zealand. That's where I live. Okay. New Zealand! Yes, yeah. Well, it's so hard to get up to New Zealand. It's so hard. I need time to go to New Zealand. I'm trying to. Oh no! Oh no! The camera! Emma! Oh no! The camera's blocking it. The camera! The camera! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! 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 Okay, I am finally here. It took me so long, but I am here.
Package!
You're supposed to bring it to me.
You want to bring the package?
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Oh, it's a package for me.
Yes.
It's a yours for me.
Yes.
Are you sure?
It even says 2 cookies and the annoying one times 57.
Oh, it's a person.
Your stupid son sent me to New Zealand.
I am your stupid. I am his stupid son.
Hello, little camera.
It's not a camera. Don't worry. He's just going kooky.
No, I want my cookie. I want my cookie.